3, so you can just...
Number 30, Echo, number 2, follow traffic approaching the base. Ahead of you, runway 16, clear, touch and go.
30, Echo, number 2 has traffic inside, touch and go.
Alright, get that nose wheel light, get it light. Slowly start pulling back, there you go.
That was great.
Yeah, nice takeoff. Alright.
I needed that
Watch your
lovely
airspeed.
bed.
November 43, Mike.
Your
Number 3,
Y is
follow
what?
traffic midfield, downwind, runway 16, clear for the option.
78, okay.
Traffic inside.
Alright, go put your flaps up.
Clear for the option, requesting full stop, 43 Mike.
43, Mike, roger. Clear to land.
Clear to land, 16, 43 Mike, step 3.
Alright, there's your phone.
Oh, thanks.
Alright, you're going to pull power back top manifold inch arc.
And 2400 RPM, it's already there pretty much, so.
You want to give it a little bit of a twist. You want to keep it about 239 or 240. That's probably just about good. Yep.
Timed 15?
Yep. Eventually you'll give us a frequency change. And I'll take care of flight following there. You just worry about flying the airplane.
Renton Tower, Skyhawk 13312, just over the north end of the west channel, transitioning from Boeing, request full stop landing, we have X-ray.
Number 13312, Renton Tower, roger. Continue inbound via the west channel.
Inbound via the west channel, 13312.
So just watch out for the surface area here.
Of the Bravo, whoops, yeah.
Renton Tower,
I have a path in here for us.
Okay.
If we follow that, we
Number 45
will
Whiskey,
be
roger.
well
Make
clear of the Bravo.
downwind.
45 to downwind 45 Whiskey.
Alright, you want to stop
Number
there,
93
GoPro,
Charlie,
save,
contact ground.
save the memory card. Right there, that's cool.
I would love to take the speedboat.
That's what I'd do if I had a boat. I'd chill right at the end of the runway here.
Yeah, unless an airplane ditches any.
RV 164 Sierra Charlie, have a good flight.
Have a great day, 46 Charlie.
Tower, Skyhawk 2711 Romeo is number 2 at runway 16 for northeast departure.
Skyhawk 2711 Romeo, Renton Tower.
Alright, look for Hangar Bravo.
For runway 16, 11 Romeo.
I hope it's not on the left.
You said there's a giant space, and then there's a hangar.
Number 123 Tango Zulu, stay parking.
We're going to ProFlight Aviation.
Number 123 Tango Zulu, roger. Make a right turn at the next taxiway and taxi to ProFlight via Alpha. Monitor ground on 121.6.
Alright, right turn next taxiway, monitor ground point 6, 3 Tango Zulu.
But where is it?
I'll ask. Once we clear, I'll ask.
Just ask him which way.
No aircraft information, Charlie, current altimeter 3011.
Aero Mexico, 737 MAX right there. Damn, this shit's awesome. I wish we could just hang out here. Alright, once we clear here, go ahead and ask her which direction we're going.
And ground 123 Tango Zulu.